Hello guys, in today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best 4K projectors available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. JVC DLA-NX9, the best overall 4K projector. The JVC DLA-NX9 is the latest native 4K projector from the company, and unlike previous lamp-based generations, it uses a BLUSN laser light source. This results in brighter images, greater consistency, and a longer lifespan, without compromising the black levels or increasing the fan noise. As a result, this excellent projector builds on JVC existing strengths, expanding them in some areas and adding a host of new cutting-edge features in others. The NX9 is also very expensive, although the pricing of JVC new lineup is intended to reflect the comparative cost of 4K laser projectors from Sony. Interestingly, the NX9 currently has no direct competitor. So if you want uncompromising performance, peerless HDR tone mapping, comprehensive features, and a high degree of future-proofing performance, this remarkable projector is in a class of its own. Reasons to buy: unbeatable black levels, superior HDR performance, laser-based light source. Reasons to avoid: large form factor, pricey compared to most 4K projectors, requires dark room for best picture. Number 2. Optoma CinemaX P2, a budget 4K ultra-short throw projector. The Optoma CinemaX P2 is unusually good looking for a projector thanks to its stylish matte white finish, complementary gray fabric grille, and a peekaboo lens up top. But there's substance here too. It's built around a single-chip DLP 4K device that uses a laser light engine that results in pin-sharp pictures. No chance of any panel alignment issues here, and excellent color vibrancy, although we think it's actually a little less vibrant than its predecessor. But in the positive column, the P2's audio performance is top-notch. Each driver has its own 10W digital amp module, so that's a cumulative output of 40W, with the sonic chops of a large Bluetooth speaker. It's more than loud enough to disguise its operating noise, which is a low 26 dB. This isn't quite a cinephile-grade projector, but we think that the convenient form factor and fantastic audio performance should be ample compensation. Reasons to buy: up to 120-inch image, solid build and audio system, living room-friendly looks. Reasons to avoid: limited brightness, doesn't support full DCP3 color gamut, mediocre built-in smart TV interface. Number 3. Samsung the Premier, a premium ultra-short throw projection experience. After more than a decade since its last home cinema projector, Samsung returned with an absolute cracker, the Premier LSP9T projector. It's an ultra-short throw beamer that makes use of 4K HDR laser projection, and its 3-color laser removes the need for a color filter. That enables the Premier's 2800 lumens brightness to really shine, and it's capable of producing a very impressive 130-inch image. Pictures are punchy and colorful, and Samsung's support for the HDR10 Plus format adds scene-by-scene picture calibration in compatible films and TV shows. This projector also benefits from full implementation of Samsung Smart TV operating system. Although we found it a bit sluggish at times, it's nice to have it on a projector instead of the basic and poorly organized interfaces we're used to. It is expensive, retailing at $6,490, but we think the Samsung is a knockout choice for those who can afford it. For everyone else, there's plenty of other great models in the guide below. Reasons to buy: bright, colorful pictures, good in light and dark rooms, full TV-style smart system. Reasons to avoid: some rainbow effect, some iffy presets for dark scenes. Software can be sluggish. Number 4. BenQ TK700STi, high frame rate HDR gaming on your wall. The BenQ TK700STi is an excellent projector for gaming, but we think it's also a very good choice for TV and movies too, although it's quite pricey for a projector of this specification if response times aren't important to you. It supports 4K at 60Hz with an unsurpassed 16 ms response time at that resolution, which is as low as response times get in a native 4K projector. If you want up to 120 inches of bright, crystal clear game on your wall or screen, this sets a new benchmark. You can also push to 120 Hz if you're happy selling for HD output. If you're never going to use it for gaming, though, and 4K isn't a big deal to you, you can probably settle for something less expensive. Reasons to buy. 16 Hz input lag is brilliant for a projector. 4K at 60 Hz for premium gaming. Reasons to avoid. No Netflix, though it's common for projectors. Fiddly onboard buttons. Number 5. Epson Pro Cinema LS11000. A champ for the dedicated home cinema. If you're looking to find one of the best 4K projectors out there, you don't have to look further than the Epson Pro Cinema LS11000. This machine is delivering powerful technology that shines an almost unbeatable image. It comes at a predictable high price, though, and Epson has gone all in on the picture side of the equation, leaving you to fend for yourself when it comes to video sources and audio. The LS11000 is a beefy, we're talking 50 pounds laser projector with a 3LCD system inside. This combination provides a bright light source for both color and white output, powerful contrast, and no artifacts we could detect. It's an immaculate picture that doesn't struggle to overcome bright lighting conditions in a room, and then can step up to simply blow us away when we turn out all the ambient light. There's a lot of flexibility for big rooms and even bigger rooms. Though we wouldn't recommend going all out like this for a small space, this is a serious home theater projector. Reasons to buy. Excellent image quality. Highly flexible placement. Ready for games and film. Reasons to avoid. High price. Display only. Few ports.